Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we have this iPhone. I have done with the review of these MacBook Airs. These are golden MacBooks, blue midnight. So this is the iPhone that we are going to review. First of all, I'm going to show you the condition of the accessory. This is fully packed. Nobody did use these accessories ever. This is 20-watt charger. We have this Apple hand-free, right? And so this is Apple hand-free, the genuine packed. This is the genuine cable packed, right? So this is the phone. Let me show you the back side of the phone. So this is the MacBook iPhone 15 Pro Midnight Green 64GB, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. This has the both IMEI has been PTA approved. This is IMEI 1, this is IMEI 2. Both has been approved. This is the serial, right? So PTA approved. Now we are going to show you the specs of the iPhone. So this is the iPhone that we have right now. So this is the iPhone. This is the side condition of an iPhone. It's fully protected. This is the back side, right? So this is you can see the iPhone. This is like brand new iPhone. This is the somehow scratches, but on the protector. See, this is the fully protected. Now I'm going to show you the battery. Where the battery option is, yeah, here you go. So the battery is 88%. Battery is 88% general. About this is iPhone 11 Pro, right? It has PTA approved. Both IMEI has been PTA approved. This is the serial. What else that we can show you? This is a protector has been installed already, so these lines are somehow on the protector. So this is the, now I'm going to put back everything like this, right there. I think we have done everything. Yeah, True Tone. Let me show you this True Tone. True Tone off, True Tone on. And what we have, this is still waterproof. It's not opened, not repaired, not anything else. True Tone function is still working, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much.